In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paint formatting in Google Slides. Whether you're quickly designing a presentation or you want to ensure consistent formatting across your slides, learning how to use the paint format tool is an invaluable skill. So let's dive right in and start making your presentations look more professional and cohesive. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar with it, Google Slides is a powerful online tool that lets you create, edit, and present slideshows right from your web browser. Take a moment to navigate to the Google Slides homepage, which you can easily find by searching for Google Slides or visiting the link directly if you have it bookmarked. Once on the Google Slides homepage, the next step is to sign in to your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows you to save your work and access it from any device with internet connectivity. Simply click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and enter your Google credentials. Once signed in, you'll be able to see all your existing presentations as well as create new ones. From here, you'll want to go to the Google Slides home. This is your dashboard and it displays all your recent presentations. If you've worked on presentations before, you'll find them all listed here, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. Now it's time to start a new presentation. You have the choice to either click on the blank presentation option to start fresh, or select a template that fits your needs. Templates are a great way to save time and ensure a polished look as they provide predefined styles and layouts. Choose whichever option suits your purpose, and let's get started with the editing process. With your new or chosen presentation open, you'll want to locate the Paint Format tool. The Paint Format icon is situated in the toolbar, looking much like a paint roller. It's a simple but powerful feature designed to copy formatting from one section of your presentation to another. Click on the Paint Format icon once you've styled a text box or slide element the way you like, and then click on another text box or element to apply the same styling. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be using the Paint Format tool like a pro, bringing uniformity and professional polish to all your Google Slides presentations. Remember, consistency in formatting can make a significant impact, ensuring your slides not only look great but also convey your information effectively. Thanks for joining today and happy presenting.